Portios Island is halfway between Paros and Santorini, in the southern Cyclades. The island is well known for its charming traditional village, beautiful beaches, and if you're craving for some nightlife, then this is the island for you. South of Paros, about 30 nautical miles from Parikia marina where we sailed out, lies Portovios. It's on the west coast of the island and easily spotted by the white Chora on top of the hill. On approach, watch out from strong gusts of Meltemi blowing into the bay. In the harbor basin, yachts can moor to the east and north quay. Anchoring in the bay is prohibited. Use plenty of fenders and pull the boat well off the quay, as ferries arrive at speed and create a lot of surges. For electricity and water, buy a ticket just opposite. Cubara Bay lies west of Portios. This is the place to party, lots of clubs on the beach. Milopotas Bay lies south of Portios. This is a large bay, anchor where convenient. Lots of restaurants ashore. Manganari Bay is on the south coast of the island. On the northeast corner of the bay there is a rocky islet. Incredibly transparent water. Bottom is sand, excellent holding. Beautiful bay for a swim and a breakfast. Tres Quistes is a nice bay for a calm weather. Thank you for watching SeaTV.